Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is what we'll be looking into, how we can make cucumber and carrot juice. You can see that my cucumber, I cut almost 1/4 from the cucumber. Now I'm about to grind, so I'm grinding using my hand grinder. As you can see, sorry for my blunder. As you can see, okay, wow, I'm done grinding now. As you can see the result after grinding the cucumber. Okay, let's move on to the next stage after this. Okay, now I'm about to sieve the cucumber into my cup. So let's see the results. So I only need only the cucumber juice. All this residual, the waste, I don't want it there. So I just want to sieve it out using my small sieve into my glass cup. As you can see, as I'm doing it. Okay, yeah, I'm done sieving. Mm, okay, that's it in the cup, as you can see. Okay, now back to the carrot. I'm trying to cut off the carrot, the waste part of it, and then I want to peel out the carrot body. The carrot might have been exposed to some toxic, to some chemicals around the environment. So you need to scrape that out for healthy audio reason. Sorry for my blunder. I'm just waking up from bed. So as you can see, I'm about to grind the carrot as well. As you can see, I'm grinding right now. Okay, I'm done grinding now. I'm done grinding, as you can see. Okay, now I want to sieve the carrot as well to get the little water I have in it. As you can see the water is already coming out while I'm sieving. So I'm almost done with the sieving. Okay, now I stir it up. As you can see, like, you can just try this at home. It's actually nice. It's If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and please share, likes and comment under this